Alright everybody, welcome back to Bad Luck Garage. So I really wasn't going to do a video on this, but after researching online, it seems like this is a pretty common issue with the Chevy Colorados and GMC Canyons. I think it's 2004 to 2012 maybe. But anyway, I saw a couple videos on it, but they didn't really talk about other symptoms that you might be having. So this video is about fixing the code P0446 on a 2004 through 2012 or whatever it is, Colorado and Canyon. So as everyone else will tell you, that code does correspond with the charcoal canister vent solenoid. It can also be caused by a gas cap that isn't sealing correctly. I've already checked that, but one of the other symptoms that my daughter's having with her little truck here, you know, it goes ahead and lets me know that the gas cap isn't the issue. And this is the issue with when she's trying to fill the tank up. Fuel will slosh out of the tank, obviously, because it's not venting in the tank. So she'll be filling her truck up and the tank won't even be full, but it'll start sloshing fuel out all over. The second issue she's having is every time she fills up her tank, her truck doesn't want to start. She has to crank it and crank it and crank it and crank it and crank it. Finally it starts, and it's fine until the next time she fills the tank up, and then it does the hard start thing again. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you what this thing is, and we'll show you how to replace it. So this guy right here is your vent solenoid. You can go to the dealership and buy one of these, but my suggestion is to just go on eBay and they send you the whole assembly for less than $30 shipped. It even comes with the new electrical pigtail and everything here. Makes this a snap to install. And I will be sure to put a link in the description of this video, just a general eBay search link, so that you can buy one of these for, like I said, less than 30 bucks. The important thing though is how easy this thing is to install. So let's get into the truck and I'll show you how it's done. Okay, so if we crawl under the passenger side of the vehicle behind the back wheel and look straight up, you will see this guy. This is your charcoal canister right here, and up here over to the left side of it, that is your vent solenoid canister right in there, and you can see the little connector. So all we really need to get this thing out is a 13mm wrench. You're gonna reach up in here and disconnect this connector right here. I believe that stays with the truck, but I'm not sure. We'll find out once we get this out. Screw this bolt either with a 13mm wrench or 13mm socket. In my case, I'm using a ratcheting wrench, and then you should be able to pull this whole assembly with the canister, everything out in one piece. Okay, so I got my bolt out, and you can see this whole thing's loose now. So we'll just slide it over and drop it down. You can see it's hanging from the vent lines that go to your fuel tank. So once you got that down, you're going to focus on this vent line here. There's a little tab right here. You're going to press that tab in. I'm going to need two hands to do it, but you're going to press that tab in and just pop that vent line off. Just like that. Then on this end, you can see your solenoid here. That's what we're after, and it's just held on with this little clip right here that slides into this bracket. So all you're going to do is take your screwdriver, bend this center tab out, because that's kind of what locks it in place, and then you should be able to just slide it out of there. She's a little gummy. We'll give her a little massage with the screwdriver. There we go. And she just slides right out. Now we'll take our new unit, lift our charcoal canister back up, and it's just going to slide right back into this little bracket on the side. Locks in place. Then over here on the other end, since ours came with a new hose, we'll put our new hose on. Hope you guys can see that. And we'll just push it down it locks in place, and we'll put the whole thing back up in here. And it slides back in just like the old one. I hope you guys can see this. Just in case you can't, I'm just letting you know, I'm just putting the bolt back in. Like I said, guys, really easy install, really easy. Nothing to it. Take our 13mm wrench, snug this up. Just like that. And we've got our adapter harness because the new solenoid has a different plug. That's why it comes with this. So we'll plug that in, and it comes with a little clip here. So we will just stick that right on our bracket like so. And that's it, guys. All done. The whole install process shouldn't take you more than, I don't know, 10 minutes. 13mm wrench, a flathead screwdriver, and 10 minutes of your time. Didn't even have to jack the truck up. That's all I got for you. Hope that helps you guys out. Now get out in the garage, get something done, and I'll see you next time here on Bad Luck Garage. In 7 years, that's got to be one of the quickest and easiest videos I've ever done on this channel.